Hi, boys and girls. Good morning. It is Screen Free Wednesday today, and here is our morning message. It says 5/6/20. Dear class, good morning. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. You have Screen Free Day today. What is one shape you can see right now? Love your teachers. So today at morning meeting, we sat right where we were. We looked around our house and we all spotted a bunch of shapes just looking around our house. So right now I can see that the face of this whiteboard is what shape? That's a rectangle, right? I have a coffee cup here with me. This is a cylinder. Remember when we learned about our 3D shapes, things we can hold that stick out, right? That's a cylinder. Right behind me, I have a glass ball. That's a decoration. This is a sphere. I have a box from a new phone right here. This is a rectangular prism. So there are shapes all around us, right in our houses, if we just look for them. So if you weren't able to come to morning meeting and you're watching this video, I want you to take a look around your house and I want you to find one shape. I'd like you to write in the comments, what shape did you find and what item is that shape? Okay, so go ahead and do that for me. Have an excellent day today and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.